Foster Care Review is a nonprofit organization that helps the juvenile court monitor abused, abandoned, and neglected foster children. In a system that is overburdened and oftentimes underfunded, we provide a safety net by making sure foster children have adults that they can count on for basic needs such as health care, stable schooling, and safe homes. Foster Care Review was created in 1989. In just 20 years, Foster Care Review volunteers have monitored the safety and well-being of over 42,000 children. More than 600 volunteers have contributed over 115,000 hours of service, making sure that our community lives up to its responsibility for their care and protection. Our volunteers are our greatest strength, bringing care and compassion to the thousands of children living in Miami-Dade's foster care system.
We meet as a citizen review panel and we go over the cases of children who are in foster care. We review everything from their placement, education, medical needs, and make sure they're getting all the services they require. And also that we're going towards some type of permanency in their case, that they're either going to be reunited with their biological parents, that they're free for adoption, or that they have somewhere to be until they reach the age of majority.
We have about almost 4,000 children in the child welfare system now in Dade County, and every single one of them has to have multiple hearings every year because we want to know how the child's doing. We want to know if the child's safe, has the child been to the doctor, how's visitation going, what's the relationship between the child and the mother and the father, when can reunification occur. And we don't have enough judges to possibly handle all of the children who are in our care. And that's where Florida Foster Care Review comes in. Marvelous volunteers from the community come forward, and they're the judges. They sit together, could be 3, 4, sometimes 5 men and women, volunteers, and they have a court. They have court, and they hear a number of cases every day. And I think they do a better job than we do because I always think that 4 or 5 heads are certainly better than 1. Plus, they can spend much more time. A case that we probably have 5 or 10 minutes to handle, they can spend an hour on. So we are so grateful for what those volunteers do. The depth of it, the intensity of it, the thoroughness of it, and the caring.
Serving on a citizen review panel takes intensive training and a commitment to at least 1 full day of service a month. Volunteers must be at least 25 years of age and undergo a background check. The work is difficult and emotionally charged, yet meaningful and rewarding. 33% of our volunteers have served over 5 years and 10% over 10 years. When children enter the foster care system, the state becomes their parent. With 4,000 children in Miami-Dade's foster care system, it's critical to have an independent organization like Foster Care Review that looks after their welfare and ensures that they are not forgotten.
Some of those kids might go through the cracks. By us being there, then we watch that doesn't happen, or we try to help that if something goes through the cracks when it shouldn't have, then we're there to support those children and to either let the social worker know or let the judges know in cases that are more extreme type cases.
But to continue serving abused and neglected children in our community, we need your help. Please contribute to Foster Care Review with your dollars and with your time. Make a difference in the life of a child and yours. Support Foster Care Review.
We will never have enough resources to meet all the needs of the children in the child welfare system and their families. It will just never happen. We don't have enough judicial resources. We don't have enough services. We don't have enough programs. We just don't have enough.
And just imagine the impact that Foster Care Review makes in one child's future.